Do you know the difference between letter of credit and bank guarantee? Watch this video. Letter of credit is basically a payment mechanism. Imagine a scenario where the buyer and seller are in two different geographies. Seller does not know about the buyer, and buyer is also concerned whether the seller will ship the goods if he is going to make the payment. So there is a lack of trust here. That's where letter of credit comes into picture. A bank on behalf of the buyer will issue letter of credit in favor of the seller, and in that the bank is going to give an assurance to the seller that, hey, you can ship the goods. We will ensure the buyer is going to make the payment provided all the terms and conditions are complied with, and if the buyer is not going to make the payment on due date, then we will honor it. That's the promise by the bank that is issuing letter of credit. Whereas bank guarantee is altogether a different game. Here, what happens is a bank is giving an assurance that the applicant, whoever have requested for the bank guarantee, will perform the contract. And in case if he is not performing the contract, and as a result of non-performance, if you, the beneficiary, is going to incur any loss, then we will compensate. That's what bank guarantee is all about, and that's where bank comes into picture and performs the role. And here, bank is not going to perform the contract; they are rather going to compensate the loss because of non-performance of the contract.